Welcome to my channel Comp Connection. Topic for today is Flash Fill in Excel. After watching this video, please leave a comment and subscribe my channel. Flash Fill in Excel automatically extract or combine data. It works in Excel 2013 or later. Flash Fill in Excel only works when it recognizes a pattern. We just open our Excel workbook. Here some example. From this table we extract first name and surname. For this, from here we write Vivek. Data tab. From data tab we find Flash Fill. Click on Flash Fill. Then it is fill with first name. The shortcut key is Ctrl plus E. Again, write Bhardwaj. Press Ctrl plus E. Surname also filled. But the thing is not as easy as you saw in the example, because here the full name has two parts only, first and surname. But in the real world, we face middle name and two parts of surname also. In our example, Shagata Lakshmi Roy Chaudhary is surname and it has two parts. Akant Datta Gupta is a surname and it has also two parts. So I just copy Shagata Lakshmi and paste it here. Come to the next cell and from here we write, we click Flash Fill or press Ctrl E. So what to do? We see the result is not as we expected. Therefore, delete this one, write Kuljit and press Ctrl E. A few data are not coming. Why? Because when we entered Shagata Lakshmi, Excel understand that after Lakshmi it is instructed to leave two words, but these data are not two words after the middle name. Therefore, Excel can't understand what to do. That is why it leaves blank. Therefore, what we do now, here you write Shujata Narayanan, paste it here, Ctrl E. The same procedure we follow here also. I copy Roy Chaudhary and paste here. From here, copy Chawla and paste it here. Now press Ctrl E. Now see, Roy Chaudhary, Tiwari, Sharma, all are correct. It is very useful to extract data from a large number of data, but you face various type of problems. Flash Fill need a little help sometime. Try to solve it by your own intelligence. We go to the another example, that is mixed sample. Here some mixed information. From here we extract roll, then marks and then name. It is very easy. We first write Q and press Ctrl E. It comes. Here we write marks 587 and then press Ctrl E. Amit Dash, Pradeep Kumar Pashwan, Ripan Chaudhary, etc. etc. We come to the next example. Here the name of a few officials, we want to join them in this fashion after name slash then designation then department. For this, here we copy this one, copy the designation, paste here, copy, paste here. Now press Ctrl E. Now you see the everything is filled according to our expectation or desire. Flash fill in Excel does not automatically update formatted date. 23rd February 2020. After entering this data, we press Ctrl plus E, but the result is not perfect. This is the limitation of flash fill. We can turn flash fill on and off from File menu, click Option, click on Advanced. Under Edit option, here is a check mark, automatically flash fill. If we uncheck and click OK, then flash fill will not work. But I need this tool, that is why it remains checked. This is for today. I will come back very soon with a new video. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.